probably seen the news. Adobe buys Figma for $20 billion at around double of its previous valuation, thereby eliminating probably its biggest competitor in the graphic design space. How would this affect Figma or Adobe XD? And more importantly, how would this affect you or me or other users of the platforms? Hey friends, if we haven't met before, my name is Nikhil Sheoran and today we are discussing the positives, the negatives and what could potentially change due to this Adobe's master move. First, the good stuff. Figma is a brilliant tool for graphic or UI UX design. And now since Adobe has bought it, it will probably make it better integrated with its own apps like Photoshop or Premiere Pro or After Effects. So it will have the compatibility of XD while having the convenience and power of Figma. Since Adobe is a very reputable and reliable company when it comes to any kind of creative work, Figma will also now probably reap the benefits of that reliability and reputation. Also, hopefully now there will be more innovation in Figma's product as well. Now, the not so good stuff. Since Adobe will spend $20 billion on this deal, making it their biggest ever acquisition, it's highly unlikely that you would be able to use Figma for free afterwards like you could today. Maybe Adobe will merge Figma into their Creative Cloud subscription and shut down Adobe XD completely. Or they might keep it independent but make it a premium software and charge a monthly subscription fees from their users. Who knows? While Adobe says that it will keep Figma autonomous, only time will tell. And as we know that Adobe's pricing model is not as consumer friendly as Figma's freemium model, which makes me afraid that it will not be as accessible to newcomers as it was before. Next, Figma is a completely cloud-based platform. Even if you download their desktop app, it still loads everything from the cloud. This could be an indication that Adobe is making the shift to cloud-based tools in the future, which is good for them and their paying users since it means more efficient and faster apps, but not very good for people like me. And Adobe acquiring Figma means that they have wiped out their competition, which could be a stepping stone in Adobe's path to become a monopoly. And as we all know, it's not at all good for the customers. So that was it for the video. And by the way, in case you didn't notice, I am in my hometown right now and this is the same place I filmed my first YouTube video 7 months ago. Makes me nostalgic. Anyway, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.